When starting a new project in EasyMotion Studio 2, you are prompted with the selection of the drive. In offline mode you can type its name, or browse the existing list. However, if you have the drive ready and connected, you can go online and establish communication. First step is to select the communication channel to be used. Next you have to select the proper port. EasyMotion Studio can detect the available ones. Lastly, you scan for the connected drives. Once the communication is established, you only need to select the type of motor to be used before the project will open. These COM settings are always available to the user in the Communication menu. Here we can find a very important option: decide whether each application should have its own settings, or if the COM selection is global, for the whole project.